Now students, we are going to see third type of construction, that is drawing a perpendicular bisector of a segment using a compass. Now students, I have already told you that for all constructions you have to use a ruler, a compass and a pencil. You have to do all constructions with the help of pencil, but for the clarity of the video I am going to do all constructions with the help of sketch pen. Now what we have to do? Now students, the heading itself suggests drawing the perpendicular bisector of a segment using a compass. Now students, you know that what is the perpendicular and bisector. Perpendicular is that line which makes an angle of 90 degree, and bisector means bisector is that line which divides the given line segment into two equal parts. Therefore the steps are, what you have to do first, you have to do one line segment of any measure. We are not going to specify the measures here, therefore I have drawn one line segment of unknown measure, and I'm going to mark these points, that is end points of this line segment, as A and B. Now students, again we are going to use a compass. Now keeping the steel point of the compass on point A, and again taking the distance which is greater than half of line segment AB, I am going to draw two arcs above and below this line segment AB. Now students, keeping the distance same, I am going to place this steel point of the compass on point B, and I am going to draw again two arcs which intersects the previous arcs in 2 points. So students, here we get two arcs, two intersected arc, one above the line segment AB and one below the line segment AB. Now students, you have to mark the point of intersection of these two arcs, and you have to name these 2 points as this point P and this point is Q. Now students, with the help of a ruler, you have to draw one line that pass through point P and Q and intersect the given line segment AB in one point. This is that line. Now students, as we are going to say this is a line, you have to put arrowheads on both sides of this. Now students, when we measure the length of this line segment AB with the help of scale. Now students, starting from 0, if you measure the length of this, it comes as 11 centimeter. And if you see the marking of this point, intersection point, this is 5.5, means the line segment AB, which is of 11 centimeter in length, gets bisected or gets divided into two equal parts because of the perpendicular bisector PQ. Therefore students, here first you have to show one right angle, then and you have to mark this point as T. Now students, since this is a perpendicular bisector, why is this is a perpendicular line PQ is a perpendicular bisector? Because line PQ makes a right angle with line segment AB, and bisector because of this line PQ, segment AB gets divided into two equal parts, and to show these two equal parts you have to put identical markings here. This is the construction part. After that, below the figure you have to write down measure of angle PTA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Therefore, this point is very much important. Therefore, seg AT is equal to seg BT. Students, after this construction, you have to write down these three statements that measure of angle PTA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Therefore, seg AT is equal to seg BT. And we have shown this equality by putting similar marks on two parts of line segment AB. Student, this is the complete construction how we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of a segment using a compass. Since we are using the word segment, they have given the specific length of this segment. But student, for this construction they have not mentioned the specific length, therefore we are not written anything here. But if the length of, now we know the length of line segment AB, therefore if the length is given, you have to write down that 11 centimeter, and half of 11 centimeter is 5.5. Therefore, in addition to this, you have to write down seg AT is equal to seg BT is equal to 5.5 centimeter. But student, they have not mentioned. We have measured these lengths with the help of ruler. Therefore, we have do our construction up to this step only. So students, you have to do this construction in your copy, and you also have to write down all the steps which are given on page number 91. Thank you.